Kwa dhibela ni Sirkal koro isundo mondo mi ochiw ler owito mar nyako ma jahigni 24 Nanyuki manyocha owito ngimane kantiere rumand Nanyuki. Kweth maketo Sirkal tesre okoni obila ntiere kod tim marach mar tiyo kod teko mathoth kuom jopiny. Bende koro gidwaro ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto okwa ng'uono. Wach nyiso obila mondo mi ochwad tie ji kod magina. Nyambaga ntiere kod ler.
Kagiloso kod ute fombo Nairobi, kweth maketo Sirkal tesre to kod mago maketo ratich oganda wuok tung' mosuo kod Sirkal kagidwaro mondo mak obila maitudo kod tho mar nyadendi ma jahigni 24 Nanyuki owito ngimane yo magalagala kanie rumand ma Nanyuki mana bang'e kadonyo chomiera mbun ma siling 50,000 kata kamano omenda no nyocha otame chulo.
We want to demand that the killer of Nanyuki is arrested and held to account, and that Nanyuki gets justice. This follows a similar occurrence when Albert Ojwang died in a similar manner. We want to see IPOA in action. We want to see the constitution being implemented. We want to demand an end to these normalizations of police brutality and police killings, and that the Constitution of Kenya 2010 is implemented to the latter.
Giko ni nek makoche lweto bila medo kelo chich mathoth kachutho to winjore gi bed kod ting' mar rito ngima mag oganda. Gichiwo ranyisi kod nek mar Albert Ojwang.
Justice.
Justice for Albert Ojwang, justice.
Justice.
Justice for Bridget Nanyuki, justice, the 12-year-old.
Justice.
We want to demand an end to these normalizations of police brutality and police killings, and that the Constitution of Kenya 2010 is implemented to the latter.
Kweth no kone jatend piny William Ruto mondo kwa jo Kenya ng'uono ne maroko winjore ochiw jipo ne obila mondo go japiny kod magina oyaye.
Head of State, President William Ruto, and the Minister of Internal Security are talking about shooting goons. This lady, in her posture, in her being, was the opposite of a goon. Demand that IPOA does immediate investigations, because the police officer who, on whose hands she died is known.
We are very concerned about even the utterances of the president saying that you should shoot the young people when they come to exercise their constitutional right to protest. We are pushing back on these retrogressive tendencies.
Gitele kalore kod chal mar kaka Kenya en. Twak mibiro ta kod ji man kod dwachi giwuon ok nyal reso jo Kenya masani ni kod adhonde mag nek motim kod obila.
The former Prime Minister Raila Odinga has begun to say that he will go around the country setting something he's calling a conclave or a discussion with young people. And we want to say very, very openly to Mzee Raila Odinga, follow the advice of Gen Z and keep away from this matter. This country has no appetite to discuss anything at all with the Kasongo government. Any attempt to go around the country portraying as though these are discussions will be to try and handpick certain youth, certain people from different regions to try and ethnicize this country so that it looks like it is us against them.
This is not going to go away. Kenya is not going to be silent until these freedoms of Kenyans are actually kept at the forefront.
Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV.